you with my digital business card. Click that, and that's my digital business card. It has all my channels, my YouTube. Check me out, bro. It's the future. Appreciate you, brother.
This is what we do, guys. You get them, you build them, and you ship them right out for plug and play. So again, guys, thank you for coming to me. When I'm done, it goes back in the box.
They gonna pop it. My guy. What up, baby? Not much. How you doing, bro? Yeah, of course.
That pro shit you was promoting.
Fire.
Yeah. You never got back to them.
It's 5 lines. It's expensive though. It's 5 lines, and you can split it twice. 3 in one crib and 2 in the other. It looks like Netflix. You can set profiles for the people. The shit is tough.
See, on the Oculus shit.
Yeah, I just sold one. Cracking them. This is number 38.